Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sticky overlapping sections in Squarespace. This effect creates a dynamic layered look where sections stick to the top of the page as you scroll, building on top of each other for a modern, eye-catching design. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to create these sticky overlapping sections. This will open up your site editor where we'll be making all our changes. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Website. Under that, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Pages. This area controls the structure and layout of your site, but we're actually going to move beyond the pages themselves to work with some custom code. Next, in that same left side menu, scroll down and click on Custom Code. From the options that appear, select Custom CSS. This is where the magic happens, where we'll add the code that makes your sections stick as visitors scroll down your page. Before we write any code, there's a helpful tool I want to introduce. I'm using a browser extension called Squarespace ID Finder. This extension makes it incredibly easy to identify the unique ID of each section on your page. If you don't have it yet, I recommend installing it on your browser. It saves a ton of time and guesswork. Once you've installed it, go ahead and activate the extension. You'll notice that as you hover over different sections on your page, the extension displays their section IDs. This is exactly what we need. Click on the first section ID to copy it, then paste it into the custom CSS field. After pasting the first ID, type a comma, then copy the next section ID and paste it, followed by another comma. Repeat this process, copying each section ID and pasting it with a comma after it until you've added all the sections you want to make sticky. Here's an important detail on the very last section ID. Don't add a comma. Instead, type open curly brace, close curly brace. Inside those curly braces, type position : sticky space, ! important space, top : 0 . This line of code is what actually makes those sections stick to the top of the viewport as you scroll. After you've entered all the code, click Save to apply your changes. Now it's time to see your work in action. Try scrolling on your website, and you'll notice that the sections now have a sticky overlapping effect. Each section will stick to the top as you scroll down, creating that layered, stacked appearance that really elevates your site's visual appeal. And that's it. You've successfully added sticky, overlapping sections to your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.